Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show how to install Helpira on your own hosting cPanel. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Helpira membership account. You have multiple options, but in this tutorial, we will focus on installing Helpira on your own hosting. Now let's learn how to install it on your own hosting. It's very easy, just follow along. Go to the sidebar and click on the agency and download the Helpira script. To your PC, the download will only take a few seconds. Now you will see the Helpira zip file that you just downloaded. We need to upload this file to your server. Next, we will go to the cPanel to set up the Helpira installation. This is my cPanel admin panel. Scroll down to the Files section and click on the File Manager. This will open a new window displaying the structure of your server, including all folders and directories. Locate the folder named Public HTML. This is where we will place the files, so ensure you navigate inside the Public HTML folder. In my case, I already have several pages in folders, so I created a subdomain called helpira.mechmarketers.com. This is where we will upload the Helpira zip files. Next, click on the Upload button. To open the upload screen, this supports drag-and-drop functionality. Go back to Windows Explorer and drag the Helpira zip file into the upload area. The upload should complete in less than a minute. Once the upload is finished, go back to File Manager, and you can see the file is uploaded. Right-click on the file and choose Extract. Select the folder where you want to extract the files. Once extracted, you can delete the zip file by selecting it and clicking on Delete, and then permanently deleting it. Next process, open the new tab and visit your domain. This extension is required to install Helpira. The extension automatically detects whether the hosting is set up correctly, and if something is missing, it will notify you. Right now, you can see that all the requirements have been met, so you can click the Next button. However, if some requirements were not met and you needed to install an extension, so you will need to install the extensions from your hosting. Click on the Next button. Display a page asking for some database connection details, such as the database host name, username, database password, and name. To provide these details, we'll go back to cPanel and create a new database. Scroll down and click on the MySQL database wizard. Write the database name, then click on the Next Step button. Next, we need to create a new user for this database. Enter a username, enter a secure password, then click on the Create User button. Now the user is successfully created. Now I'll click on this box to give all privileges to this user and then go to the next step. You will now see the user is added to the database. Go back to the Helpira setup page and input the required database details. Enter the database username, enter the database password, and enter the database name. Then click the Submit button. After connecting to the database, you will be prompted to enter your full name, enter the email address, and a password to set up your Helpira admin. Then click the Submit button. Account has been successfully created. We can log in here. The next step is to create a license for Helpira. Copy the Helpira installation URL. Next, go to your Helpira membership account. Go to the sidebar and click on the license and click on the Add License button. Enter the site URL where you installed Helpira and click on the Add. A new license will be generated. Copy the license code. Go back to your Helpira dashboard, paste the license code, enter your email, and then click Verify. Your Helpira app is now installed. That's how easy it is to install Helpira on your own hosting and how to set a cron command in Vidco. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.